sobra pong like conscious effort. Naku, marami pong self-talk yun na ako mismo like nagkaka-body dysmorphia rin ako.
Ikaw ba, since ikaw from child star, syempre makilala kita nung una from Pochi. So, ikaw ba, since eto, syempre bagong yugto mo na to, so parang may conscious effort ba sa'yo na para kasi marami rin nagtatanong, nagpa-sexy siya from sa movie, tapos mga adult agad yung role. So, ikaw ba parang conscious effort ba for you parang career-wise na parang mawala yung from na naging tatak sa'yo?
Oo naman.
Being a child.
Sobra pong like conscious effort. Naku, marami pong self-talk yun na ako mismo like nagkaka-body dysmorphia rin ako. So like minsan kapag may mga kasi like kapag wala akong project, usually like I try to enjoy food eh. So yun yung isa sa mga guilty pleasures ko, which is kumain. Which is alam natin yan na masarap kumain. And pero syempre once I'm like required na to prepare, like sometimes it's really up to me kung saan man ako comfortable with my own skin. Pero like may mga certain requirements ganyan. Yeah, malaking conscious kasi naka-conscious siya kasi like ako mismo like hindi ako confident doon, hindi pa ako confident masyado like to flaunt like with my body kasi like ako mismo like parang like I wanna like ano lang kasi like toned body, hindi ako fan ng abs, hindi ako fan ng like hindi ko siya pinangarap din talaga. So mas more of, siguro toned body lang yun siguro yung goal ko lang kung meron man ganung question. But with consciousness, yeah, malala din yung consciousness ko.
And then you mentioned you love eating, diba?
Yes.
So anong ginagawa mo for your workout?
Pag workout, I do weights na as in yung kailangan lang ng body ko, and then at the same time with the diet, I try to eat lang when I'm hungry, so I'm not restricting any hours anymore kasi mas lalo akong unproductive and wala sa sarili kapag ginugutom ko yung sarili ko. So as much as possible, I try to eat lang when I'm hungry. So anytime yon. So pero at the same time when you have a specific diet, syempre meron mga specific lang po na foods na kailangan lang kainin. So yun lang, mas healthy life. Siguro mas kumakain ako ng dirty food kapag wala akong work. And then pumapasok yung healthy food, clean food when it comes to preparation.
The last interview you had with Pep, you were about to become a teen pa nun. Sabi mo,
saan po to?
Sa Pep.
Saan po? Isang project po ito?
Pero sabi mo, hindi ako nagmamadaling maging leading man. Ngayon ba, desididong-desidido ka na ba? And I noticed that from 2019 to 20, you did not do anything. Was that in preparation for your comeback or you did something else?
Siguro nagkaroon po ako ng curve sa path. Like sabi ko po kanina, like when I was young, I was really dreaming to be a matinee idol. Yeah. Typical na maging sikat, maging leading man. But habang tumatagal, parang mas nabubuhay po sa sarili ko yung character actor. Mas yung may depth po talaga. So parang for me it's mas challenging. So parang kasi kung maging leading man po ako, like I'm scared to be mas ma-box kaysa sa ma-box ako dun sa mga queer characters. So I feel like it's much kumbaga a breather or what do you call that, yung exploration mas nabubuhay po siguro pag iba't ibang characters po yung pinoportray ko. Yeah.
May partner ka na ba sa prom?
No, I'll be going as an individual. Kasi represent din kasi na bagong sign ako sa Star Magic. So, yeah. Pero I'm sure andun yung iniisip nyo. I'm sure magkikita kami doon.
Pero Miggy, may ano ba sa love life? Meron bang Ikaw, do you have time for it, for love life? Or
Yeah.
kasama pa sa contract mo na hindi mo ka-girlfriend?
No, like I'm in a happy relationship, but non-showbiz girlfriend. So, pero like she doesn't really wanna, like ayaw niya ikwento ko siya. So parang it's not a secret, but we wanna keep it private.